Now, everywhere you look, prices of goods and services are on the rise. Now, this is what we call inflation. In simple terms, inflation is simply the persistent or continuous rise or increase of the prices of goods and services. What that simply means is that money is losing value. So what 1 million could afford 5 years ago, currently it may not may, it will definitely not be able to afford that. As a matter of fact, what was 1 million 5 years ago currently could be around 5 or even as much as 7 million naira. This is the power of inflation. But here is the bigger picture. Inflation not only affects the prices of groceries, that is food items in the market, it affects also the prices of cement, the prices of housing, the prices of even lands, which means that the property that you are delaying in buying today, tomorrow the prices will definitely not remain the same. Now think about it. That money that you have silently kept in the bank, in just a few years or a few months time, you will discover that by reason of inflation, that money would have devalued or the value of the money would have reduced. I get it. Why some persons who are very, very smart may have come up with a clever way of beating inflation by converting their money into dollars. But I need you to understand that even the money market sometimes crashes. And when it happens, what becomes of the dollar? So my name is James Aichems. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, I want you to like, I want you to share, I want you to subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button so you can continuously receive the latest investment tips, especially as it concerns real estate. So in today's discourse, we are going to be talking about how inflation affects real estate and how that real estate is the perfect or is a key solution to solving the problem of inflation. So here's the good news. Real estate is an edge over inflation. And how does this happen? It grows with inflation. Now let me tell you how it works. Property value rises, rental income rises. So instead of losing money, you can protect your money by growing it. And how does this growth happen basically? It happens in two ways. Number one is land banking. How this works is that you can buy land and hold for a certain period of time. And once you hold that land for a certain period of time, remember, as time passes, land appreciates. So as that appreciation keeps going on, it's just a matter of time. You will realize or discover that the value of that property was not what you bought it for, as at probably when you wanted selling it off or even developing it or using it for other purposes. So the second way this works is through what we call rental income. Now, how this works is that you can decide to flip the property or you can decide to give the property for lease. However it is, you keep adjusting the price of that particular property as the market demands. So if the market demands that there's an increase of 10% on it, you just kindly go and put the increase on the property and you continue to either lease it out or you decide to do flipping as the case may be. In fact, I've seen properties that were bought as at 2018 for 5 million naira and currently being sold for as much as 20 million naira. Now, this is inflation working against others, and this is inflation working for others who acted early. So, the key to this are two basic things. Number one is strategy, and secondly, it is vision. Vision involves the what? That is the reason for the investment of property, while strategy involves the how. And that is where I come in. So if you're one of those person who is thinking or who wants to invest in land banking, I am here and I'm just a call away from you. Reach out to the number on your screen and then let's talk opportunities. So don't forget, I remain James Aichems and I am the shortest distance between you and that property you want to invest in. So reach out to the number and let's talk opportunities. See you on the next one.